Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So I'm actually just on my way out to go to an Instagram event. This is the Maison and Mingle event. I've been to two of them now, so this will be my third one. They're really good fun. Like, you just go and there's like a little like thing that we do. So last time it was candle making, and I think this time it's like floral wreath making, which will be really cute. And loads of like home accounts go, and it's just nice to meet up with everyone and meet with people who I met up with last time, like some of my friends on Instagram. So it's just nice, a nice day out. And I'm also catching the train with Helena and Becca and Rachel this time as well, so it'll be nice to actually go on the train with someone rather than just going by myself. I've never actually vlogged any of these Maison and Mingle events before, but I thought I'd do it this time. I thought I'd take my camera if I can manage to fit it in this bag. It's literally jam-packed. Like, I've brought my brush and everything just because like if you're spending all day out, I just like to take like makeup and things just to like keep myself fresh. So I don't know if I'll be able to actually get my camera in there, but if not, I'll just vlog the rest of it on my phone and then just do it that way. So for my little outfit of the day, I'm still having seasonal dilemma with outfits because officially spring now, but it's less than 10 degrees outside. But I didn't want to go in tights because I just don't feel like it's tights weather. I still wear tights for work, but work's a bit different, but I definitely don't think it's tights weather like on the weekends, if that makes sense. So I've gone with this kind of like long sleeve dress. It's new, it's from ASOS, Miss Selfridge on ASOS. I think it's dead cute. It's like smocked at the top, which I love. I love a smock top, and puff sleeves, long puff sleeves that I've just like ruched up a little bit, and a little like pleated skirt. I think it's dead cute. Got it on with my belt, Mulberry bag, and I've got it on with my new white Converse. Love those. So I hope you enjoy watching the video, and I will catch up with you in a little bit. I'm just on my way out to go and pick Helena up, and then we'll head to the train station.
It's very something.
Just getting a little Starbucks.
I thought, oh, I can go somewhere.
Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Got our Starbucks. Vanilla latte.
Caramel latte.
What have you
And
got?
vanilla latte.
Vanilla latte. Woo. We're in Birmingham. We're here. Got our Prosecco. And it's really, really busy. Everyone's just mingling. And then we've just seen on the tables that we've got these little boxes, which I'm guessing are for our little wreath making session. So I'll take you guys along with that as well. Woo! Strangers are friends waiting to happen. Cute. Perfume out. Happy and Barley. Did they send you that one?
Hashtag not a dad.
So we've just sat down to do our wreath making. I think it's starting in a few minutes, and this is what we've got. We've all got one of these little boxes, and inside we've got a base and some dried flowers. I really love these ones, these little white ones. Really cute. So hopefully we will be able to make it. We'll see who the best wreath makers are.
And then we have pizza and some cocktails, and hopefully you have a lovely time meeting new people, making new friends, catching up with old friends. So yeah, I hope everyone has a lovely day, and have a few drinks. Get started, yeah.
Prepare them all before we start ends of the stems that we don't need. So for example, with the statues here, we're not going to put in a whole stem, so what you'll be doing is just literally
So I finished my wreath. I've gone for like white little ditzy flowers all around the edge. So it's kind of similar to that Hobbycraft one that I made a few weeks ago. It's kind of just like white ditzy flowers, like sporadic all the way through. I think it looks dead cute. I've added some dry gypsophila as well. So it's just nice and simple, suits my home. Everyone else is making cute wreaths, hard at work, little elves. Kylie! How's your wreath? Oh, I was like... Go on, show the vlog, your wreath. Oh, you've not even started! She's taking her time.
Yeah. Good things come cheating.
You're cheating? You look so cute. Looking gorgeous.
There's a few like boxed things.
Oh wow!
Neon. Gosh,
that gas.
Oh, it smells like a spa.
For the unboxing, Helena. Hey guys, it's a few days later now and I just thought that I would sit down and film the goodie bag unboxing because I've seen on stories and on the train some of the girls were getting theirs, that there are some beautiful things in the goodie bag from some really nice small businesses and stuff, so I thought that I would share them with you so you can see the gorgeous things as well. And yeah, it was just such a good day. Like, it was so nice meeting everyone, meeting up with friends who I've met in the past and then new people. It was just really, really lovely. If you are a home account and you're wanting to like meet some new people, or just nice to chat to people who like home interiors like you do, and it was just, everyone was just really lovely. So yeah, if you are a home account and you're wanting to come to the next event, then you can follow Maisons and Mingle on Instagram and all the details of the next event will be posted there when it's time. And yeah, you should definitely come. If you're feeling nervous, don't feel nervous because everyone is just super welcoming and it's just nice and chill, and yeah, you don't need to feel nervous at all. So hopefully I will see some new faces there next time. But yeah, like I said, it's a few days later now. I'm in a summer dress. I'm braving the summer dress, but I've got a blanket. It's cold. It's still cold, but I feel like I can't keep wearing like wintry stuff on my videos because it's not winter, it's like officially spring. And today it is officially a year away until the wedding, which is very exciting but also very scary because I feel like I've got so much to sort. But yeah, a year today I will be probably having my hair and makeup done, ready for the wedding. Yeah, moving on to what I actually got the camera out to show you is this goodie bag with lots of beautiful goodies inside. So this bag, for starters, super cute, got little bees on. This is from Christy England, who was also at the event, lovely girl. And yeah, cute little bag for like, I don't know, beach bag, or like, this could be like a cute little work bag. Bringing my books home tomorrow, you know, that sort of stuff. So let's unbox everything. What I'll do is I'll start with my wreath, because if you'll have seen on the clips, we all had a little wreath making session. It was really good because everyone's wreath was so different, and like, but we all have the same materials, but it's just like what different people want to do, and it was so good. So the lady who did the workshop with us is called Amber Jean Flowers, and she's got an Instagram and everything, so I will link everything down below. Everything that I can, I will link down below. And it was like a dried flower workshop, and I'll show you what my wreath looks like. So this is my wreath. I think it's really cute. I just wanted a really simple, minimal, kind of blossomy, like sporadic ditzy flowers kind of look. My vibe all over. Like, so many people had big full wreaths that look beautiful, but I just wanted really subtle and simple, kind of like whimsical, like fairy garden type vibe. I don't know. And I only picked 2 types of flowers. These little white ones, are they called stacks? I've completely made that up, I'm not sure. And then some dried gyp as well. And yeah, I just think it's dead cute. I'm gonna hang it on like a door somewhere, maybe my front door, with it being like quite a nice spring, like woody kind of vibe. I might actually pop it on the front door actually. So the first thing in the goodie bag is this big bath towel. I think this is from Christy Home as well. Nice grey colour. And then also from Christy, we've got a white little face cloth. I use these every night without fail. Cleanse my makeup off, use a face cloth to get it all off, so that's really good. And I only like neutral ones as well, so perfect. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. This is from Clifford's Corner. absolutely lovely lady. Loved chatting with her at the event. She was there at the last one as well. She's so nice, and her small business is super cute. So I'm just trying to move the label so you can actually see. Let me just rip it off. I'll rip it off so you can see the cute bunnies. Look how adorable. You know me, I am bunny obsessed. I was bunny obsessed before the bunnies, and now I'm like doubly bunny obsessed. This is so cute. It's like Bonnie and Piglet, little bobtail. That is adorable. I'll be popping that in the bunny room for obvious reasons. We've also got a neon candle. I can smell this through the box. This is Neon Real Luxury Scented Candle, Lavender, Jasmine and Brazilian Rosewood. And it's a scent to de-stress, which is what we all need, isn't it, from time to time. Oh, look how cute that is. A cute little neon candle. Smells so good. It really does smell like quite spa vibes, like de-stressing vibes. What we all need. Super cute. We all love a candle, especially a neon candle. That is such a cute candle for a goodie bag. I feel very spoilt right now. Next I've got a little package from EVENT Home. Marie, the lady who runs EVENT Home, is so nice. I was chatting with her at the event as well, and she's got bunnies, so we're like always talking about our bunnies and stuff. She's just really nice, really lovely lady, and again another gorgeous small business. So please do support them. I'll leave them all linked. Please do check them out and support them because they really do deserve it. They work really hard, and it's just really nice to support small businesses, isn't it? So let me open this little package up. It's a cute little tea light holder. Got a little star shape with a little gold rim. That is adorable. I love little tea light holders like this. Little glass tea light holders, perfect for a tablescape, perfect for like little bits of styling when you don't want to add too much. Like this is the perfect styling accessory. I love it, and this is going to look gorgeous around Christmas time as well, like starry Christmas vibes. Love it. The gold rim is super cute. Aww. And then the last little thing is a package from Heart Made Interiors. I've loved Heart Made Interiors for so long. It was so nice to meet both sisters because both sisters run the account, run the business, and it was so nice to meet them both at the event. And they've also provided a little treat for us for the goodie bag, and I think I know what this is because I've seen it a few times on people's stories and things, and it is so my vibe. Absolutely stunning. Love it. Look at this. It's a little candle plate or like a small pillar candle. I'm thinking like, you know, the £5, well £6 now, £6 Neptune candles. How beautiful is that? Little bobbled edge, beaded edge. I love that. This is like very White Company vibes, but for a fraction of the price from this beautiful small business. I love it. This is going to be my new favourite candle plate. And they've also popped this little card in that says Mingles 15 for 15% off your order, and I'm pretty sure they've said that other people can use this as well. If you want 15% off Heart Made Interiors, then you can use Mingle. Sorry, it's not Mingles, it's Mingle. Mingle 15 for 15% off your order, but I'll link all discount codes and all links down below so that you don't miss out. But yeah, how gorgeous is that? I love it. So that was everything from the goodie bag. I feel very spoiled, very lucky to have received all of those lovely things. So yeah, definitely check out all the small businesses. I'll leave them all linked down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, coming along to an Instagram event with me. If you like this type of video, then let me know because I've got a few more lined up so I can take you guys along with me there as well. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye!